In 1914, as Europe stood on the brink of a global conflict, the French military needed a reliable all-terrain transport vehicle. Their answer? The Renault EG, a heavy-duty truck that would become a silent hero of the First World War. Initially tested during France's military trials for off-road vehicles, the Renault EG was selected for its durability and practicality. Mass production began in 1915, and by the end of the war, around 978 units had been built. In total, 1,132 trucks were delivered to the French army, according to official records. The EG played a critical role during the Battle of Verdun, one of the war's longest and bloodiest battles. Along the legendary Voie Sacrée, or Sacred Road, Renault EG trucks worked tirelessly, supplying the front lines with ammunition, food, and reinforcements. They became the backbone of the logistics effort that helped France hold the line. From an engineering perspective, the Renault EG was full of fascinating features. Its inline four-cylinder engine, with a displacement of 8.49 liters, produced 35 horsepower at 1,000 revolutions per minute and up to 45 horsepower at 1,400 RPM. The radiator, in true Renault fashion of the time, was mounted behind the engine, an unusual but effective design. In the late 1920s, some EGs were fitted with a 7.8-liter engine, delivering 57 horsepower, giving the aging model a second wind. One of the most innovative features of the EG was its four-wheel steering system. Both the front and rear wheels could steer independently via two separate steering boxes connected to the steering wheel through universal joints. This gave the EG a significantly tighter turning radius, a huge advantage in narrow village streets or muddy battlefield paths. The four-speed manual transmission was controlled via a gear lever, and the solid cast steel wheels, with a diameter of 1,000 millimeters, were identical front and rear. With a payload of 2,000 kilograms, the Renault EG was capable of hauling up to 15 tons when towing artillery or heavy cargo. Key dimensions: wheelbase, 3,600 millimeters. Width, 1,500 millimeters. Weight, 6,900 kilograms. Thanks to its robust build and clever design, the Renault EG remained in service for decades. As late as October 1939, over 600 EGs were still in operation with the French army. Sadly, most were lost during the German invasion in 1940. The Renault EG marked the end of an era. After it, Renault never built another heavy artillery tractor, but its legacy lives on as one of the most dependable military trucks of the Great War. If you enjoyed this journey into forgotten military engineering, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode about rare vehicles and forgotten machines from the past. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.